Hey everybody, it's Lisa here. I just wanted to show you real quick how to use this beautiful white pen. So I've got a black circle here and it's stamped. I'm going to put white in the impressions so that the stamping really sticks out. I'm going to shake the pen, dab it on some paper to make sure it's flowing, and just pop it right over those letters. Make sure it gets into the grooves really deep. I kind of press a little bit. Okay. Then I let it dry just about all the way. And I'm going to grab a tissue while that's drying and some rubbing alcohol to remove the paint that's on the top, leaving it in the grooves. So just got a little tissue here. I'm putting a little bit of alcohol on it, not too much because you don't want the alcohol to go in and pull it out of the grooves. I'm just going to pick that up. I got some on my finger and just lightly wipe that away. So cute. And there you can see how the white really pops. It's just that easy. Now I sometimes there's like a shadow there. Sometimes that happens with the white. It's like you swiped and left a little there and didn't realize it till it dried. Just go in there with this and clean it off again. And I'm just rubbing kind of lightly. I'm not pushing really hard. I can see I kind of missed the bottom of that T, so I'll just reapply and polish it off, but that's how easy it is.